Hello students, today we will explore the basics of probability. This branch of mathematics helps us measure how likely an event is to occur. Probability always lies between 0 and 1. 0 means impossible. 1 means certain. Key terms are experiment, like tossing a coin. Sample space, all possible outcomes. For a coin, head and tail. Event, a subset of the sample space. Example, getting a head. Outcome, a single result, such as rolling a 4 on a die. Formula in words, probability of an event equals number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Probability is of three types: theoretical probability, based on reasoning. Example, rolling a 3 on a die, 1 out of 6. Experimental probability, based on trials. Example, tossing 50 coins and getting 28 heads, probability is 28 divided by 50. Axiomatic probability, based on set theory and axioms. Some important rules. Range rule, probability is always between 0 and 1. Complement rule, probability of not happening equals 1 minus probability of happening. Sir, may I ask something? Yes.
If the probability of rain is 0.3, what is the probability of no rain?
Using the complement rule, 1 minus 0.3 equals 0.7. Addition rule, for events that cannot occur together, probability of A or B equals probability of A plus probability of B. For events that can occur together, probability of A or B equals probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B together. Conditional probability is used when one event depends on another. Formula in words, probability of a given B equals probability of A and B together divided by probability of B. Multiplication rule, probability of A and B together equals probability of A multiplied by probability of B given A. Let's solve an example with 2 dice. Question, what is the probability of getting a sum of 7 when 2 dice are thrown? Step 1, total outcomes equals 36. Step 2, favorable outcomes are 1 and 6, 2 and 5, 3 and 4, 4 and 3, 5 and 2, 6 and 1. That makes 6 favorable outcomes. Step 3, probability equals 6 divided by 36 equals 1 divided by 6. So students, today we covered the definition, rules, and conditional probability with a real dice example. In part 2, we will continue with independent and dependent events, Bayes' theorem, permutations and combinations, distributions, and more practice problems.